Dear friends, welcome to my Cradle to Cremation YouTube channel. Today we are going to know interesting animals and plants that escaped extinction from this world so far and still living with us. Throughout Earth's 4.5 billion year history, 5 major mass extinctions have reshaped life on the planet, erasing entire species while giving rise to new ones. Yet, amidst this global destruction, some extraordinary lifeforms defied the odds and survived. These species are living witnesses to ancient worlds, having endured meteor strikes, volcanic eruptions, climate collapses, and more. Their survival is a testament to biological resilience, adaptability, and nature's quiet strength. From ocean-dwelling coelacanths and sharks to the unyielding crocodilians and microscopic tardigrades, these creatures narrate stories of tenacity. Today, as we face modern-day threats like habitat loss and climate change, these survivors remind us that nature, though fragile, can also be fiercely persistent. Understanding these animals' evolutionary stories not only deepens our respect for life but also guides current conservation strategies. This video will explore 10 such remarkable survivors who have walked through extinction events and still share the earth with us, living legends of resilience, reminding us of nature's ancient pulse. Mass extinctions have shaped the course of life on Earth, wiping out numerous species while paving the way for new ones to evolve. However, amidst these catastrophic events, some resilient species have managed to survive and continue to thrive today. These remarkable survivors offer a glimpse into the resilience and adaptability of life. In this YouTube video, we explore animals and plants that have withstood the test of time and continue to walk among us, reminding us of the fragility and tenacity of life through Earth's tumultuous history. First, we are going to see the resilient horseshoe crab reported from Odisha coast. Horseshoe crabs are living fossils, having existed for over 450 million years. These ancient arthropods have survived multiple mass extinction events, including the famous Permian-Triassic extinction. Their unique and efficient physiology, including a hardy exoskeleton and a primal immune system, has enabled them to endure drastic environmental changes. The study of horseshoe crabs provides important insights into evolutionary biology and the survival mechanisms of ancient life forms. In India, horseshoe crabs are primarily found along the northeastern coast, specifically in Odisha and West Bengal. There are 2 species present, Tachypleus gigas and Carcinoscorpius rotundicauda. T. gigas is found in Odisha and West Bengal, while C. rotundicauda is more prevalent in the Sundarbans mangroves of West Bengal. Next, we are going to see the ancient deep-sea nautilus. Shells are collected from Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Nautiluses, with their iconic coiled shells, have been swimming Earth's oceans for over 500 million years. These marine creatures navigated through all 5 recognized mass extinction events, thanks to their adaptive buoyancy control in deep-sea habitats. The nautilus serves as a crucial link in understanding the evolution of cephalopods and remains a subject of scientific fascination due to its primordial features. Nautiluses are not commonly found in Indian waters. While they are native to the Indo-Pacific region, it is primarily limited to the tropical waters of the Eastern Indian Ocean and West Pacific Ocean. Specifically, they inhabit the area from 30 degrees south latitude and 90 degrees east to 175 degrees east longitude, typically on the deep slopes of coral reefs. Fossilized nautiloid remains may be found in certain Indian geological formations, but living nautiluses are not typically found in Indian coastal waters. Next, we are going to see the enduring ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba, often dubbed a living fossil, is a tree species that has survived for over 270 million years. While not an animal, its endurance through major extinction events, including the late Devonian and the end Permian, earns it a mention. Ginkgo's resilience is attributed to its disease resistance and adaptability to different climates, making it a symbol of perseverance in the plant kingdom. Ginkgo biloba, a living fossil, is native to China but has been widely cultivated and naturalized elsewhere, particularly in East Asia, Europe, and North America. While its natural distribution is primarily in China, it's found in botanical gardens and urban landscapes globally. Climate change is expected to impact its distribution, potentially shrinking and fragmenting its natural habitats, though some areas may see expansion. Next, we are going to see lungfishes. Lungfish are among the oldest living vertebrates, with a lineage stretching back about 400 million years. These aquatic creatures possess both gills and lungs, enabling them to survive in fluctuating water conditions. Their ability to breathe air and survive periods of drought by burrowing into mud has allowed lungfish to endure various ecological shifts throughout history. Lungfish are not native to India. They are found in Africa, South America, and Australia. There are only 6 extant species of lungfish worldwide. 3 genera of lungfish exist: Neoceratodus, Queensland lungfish; Lepidosiren, South American lungfish; and Protopterus, African lungfish. The Australian lungfish, Neoceratodus forsteri, is found in the Mary, Burnett, and possibly Brisbane and North Pine rivers of southeastern Queensland. The African lungfish, Protopterus, inhabits freshwater swamps, backwaters, and small rivers in West and South Africa. The South American lungfish, Lepidosiren paradoxa, lives in the stagnant waters of swamps and slow-moving rivers in South America. We are going to see the unyielding crocodilians, found throughout the world, especially in many parts of India including Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. Crocodilians, including crocodiles and alligators, have been around for over 200 million years, surviving the mass extinction that eliminated the non-avian dinosaurs. Adapted with a robust physiology, powerful jaws, and a semi-aquatic lifestyle, these ancient reptiles have withstood climatic and environmental changes, continuing to exist in diverse habitats across the globe. Crocodiles in India are primarily found in coastal areas and rivers. Saltwater crocodiles inhabit the Sundarbans in West Bengal, Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary in Odisha, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Mugger crocodiles, also known as marsh crocodiles, are found in freshwater habitats across India, including rivers, lakes, and marshes. Gharials are primarily found in the Chambal River and other tributaries of the Ganga River. Next, we are going to see sharks. Sharks have roamed the seas for around 400 million years, enduring several mass extinction events, including the one that annihilated 70% of marine species during the Devonian period. Their evolutionary success is attributed to their streamlined bodies, acute sensory systems, and diverse reproductive strategies, making them resilient apex predators capable of adapting to various marine environments. India's coastal waters are home to a wide variety of shark species, with an estimated 114 species inhabiting its diverse marine ecosystems, from shallow coastal areas to deeper offshore waters. The waters off Gujarat's coast, particularly, are known to host the largest aggregation of whale sharks, Rhynchodon typus, the largest fish on Earth. While whale sharks are globally distributed in tropical and warm temperate seas, India's coastline provides a significant habitat for this species. Next, we are going to see the resilient sturgeon. Sturgeons are ancient fish that have swum in rivers and lakes for over 150 million years. These bottom-dwelling fish are characterized by bony scutes and have adapted to survive changes in water temperature and salinity. Despite facing significant threats from overfishing and habitat destruction, sturgeons have persisted, bearing witness to Earth's ever-changing history. Sturgeons are not native to India. They are primarily found in the northern hemisphere, specifically in large river systems, lakes, coastal waters, and inner seas of Europe, North America, and parts of Asia. Specifically, they inhabit rivers, estuaries, and coastal regions of the Atlantic, Black, Caspian, and Arctic seas. Finally, we are going to see the tenacious tardigrade. Tardigrades, or water bears, are microscopic creatures famous for their extreme resilience. For over 500 million years, they have survived all 5 major extinctions through their ability to withstand extreme conditions, including radiation, desiccation, and freezing temperatures. Tardigrades can enter a state of cryptobiosis, allowing them to endure harsh environments and resume life when conditions improve. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are found throughout India in various environments, including freshwater, terrestrial, and marine habitats. While some regions like Sikkim and the Andaman Islands have been more studied, others like Goa, Himachal Pradesh, and Kerala have fewer recorded species. A newly discovered marine tardigrade species, Batelepes chandrayani, was found on the southeast coast of Tamil Nadu. What lessons we learned from these animals? It is a big question for you all. If you have the answers, please reply in my comment box. The animals highlighted in this Cradle to Cremation YouTube program are more than just survivors. They are testament to the power of ADN and evolution. By examining these ancient species, scientists gain valuable insights into the mechanisms that allow life to persist through catastrophic events. Understanding the resilience of these species not only enriches our knowledge of Earth's history but also informs current conservation efforts. Emphasizing the importance of preserving biodiversity in various ecological niches, these enduring creatures link us to a past long before humans ever walked the Earth and continue to shape the natural world we strive to protect. The continued existence of these ancient survivors tells a compelling story, one of hope, strength, and evolution. In a world where countless species have perished, these animals remind us that life, though delicate, can also be incredibly durable. They've outlived the dinosaurs, braved ice ages, and adapted to environmental upheavals. Yet today, many of them face new threats from human activities, pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change. If nature's most resilient species are at risk, what hope remains for others? Their legacy is not only biological but also philosophical. Survival isn't about domination, it's about adaptability and endurance. As custodians of Earth, it's our duty to protect the biodiversity that has endured millions of years. These survivors are not just relics of the past, they are messengers for the future. Signaling the importance of respect for all forms of life, let us learn from their story, draw inspiration from their strength, and preserve this shared planet for generations yet to come. Don't miss Cradle to Cremation YouTube programs. Hit play and reconnect with Earth's ancient secrets. Thanks for watching. See you in my next episode.